Guys, Alex here. We're here to visit the historic site of the Battle of Waterloo. We're going to see a demonstration of the cavalry. We're going to see a cannon fire. We're going to climb to the top of the Lion's Mound. Stick with me, guys.
Cool.
Maxime, I've just come across this painting. Who is this guy and what is he famous for?
Well, this is Napoleon, the French emperor, and he's famous for losing the Battle of Waterloo right here.
Great, thank you. I've just come across this hat. What is it?
It's a bacon at the Napoleon.
Great, thank you.
C'est bon?
Yeah. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Here we have a 360-degree panorama of the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, with the French cavalry led by Napoleon and the cavalry led by the Duke of Wellington. Can you show me where Napoleon is? Like a white horse. Cool. Thank you. Hi, so why did you come here today?
Well, I like the history. Of course, part of it is also Napoleon, and it's a great place to see and get to know what really happened in the past.
Are you team Napoleon or team Wellington?
I prefer not to say.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
En is het allemaal lekker gegaan?
Refoulez! Dégorgez! Amorcez! Pièce prête! Attention, feu! Feu! Très bon tir, You're probably wondering what I'm doing filming in front of a random hill with a random statue of a lion. Well, actually, this was built to commemorate the Battle of Waterloo on June 18, 1815. This is the view here from the Lion's Mound. Below me is the reenactment of the cavalry of the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. And further afield is the landscape countryside of Wallonia in Belgium.
Tout ça, ce n'est pas si simple que ça l'est, parce que le cheval a quand même peur quand on sort un grand objet de son fourreux, et il faut qu'il soit habitué à ça. Donc voilà.